In this video, we'll find the area of a triangle from the given three coordinates of its vertices. The coordinates of the vertices are A23, B40, and C5 minus 1. We know if the coordinates of the vertices are x1, y1, x2, y2, and x3, y3, then the area of the triangle can be found with the formula of matrix determinant, which is area equals half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1 square unit. In our case, the first coordinate of the vertices A 2 3 is equivalent to x1 y1. The coordinate of second vertices, which is B 40, is equivalent to x2 y2, and the third coordinate of vertices, which is C 5 minus 1 is equivalent to x3 y3. Now, from the given formula of area, which is area equals half matrix determinant of x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1, we can put the values of x1 y1 x2 y2 and x3 y3. So we have area of triangle ABC equals half x1 means 2 3 1 x2 y2, x2 is 4, y2 is 0 1, x3 means 5, y3 means minus 1 1. So if we expand the matrix determinant, we have half times, if we take these two, the row and the column will be excluded, and 0 times 1 minus 1 times minus 1. This is how we can expand the matrix determinant. So we have 2 times 0 times 1 minus 1 times minus 1. Then if we take 3, we have to exclude this row, first row, and the second column. So we have minus 3 times 4 times 1 minus 1 times 5. The last element, which is plus 1, the first row and third column is excluded. So 1 times 4 times minus 1 minus 5 times 0. This is how we can expand matrix determinant. Now we have half 2 times 0 plus 1 minus 3 times 4 minus 5 plus 1 times minus 4 minus 0. Next we have equals half times 2 times 1 minus 3 times minus 1 plus 1 times minus 4, which gives us equals half times 2 plus 3 minus 4. So we have half times 2 plus 3 equals 5 minus 4 equals half times 1 equals half square unit, which is the area of the triangle ABC. So this is the given area of the triangle. So if we have 3 coordinates of the vertices of a triangle, this is how we can calculate the area of the triangle. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching the video.